Hello friends, very good morning and a very environmental morning to you all. And we have back again for our discussion. So today's topic will be full of environmental topic, because I am going to discuss about sustainable development, ecosystem, and how should the use of environmental resource, or whatever we are having, I mean all the natural resources, what should be their use and utilization, if we want to become sustainable in our future, in our next generation. So what should be their usage, I mean today nowadays the uh, environment conservation of environment, conservation of all the resources is very bigger issue, very big challenge to us to conserve all the natural resources. So the point of discussion today will be the eco-sensitive zone, sustainable development, and the loss of ecosystem, pollution issues, and uh, these all for the conservation of all the resources, the NGT guidelines are there. So this should be the topic of discussion, what type of guidelines has been taken by NGT, National Green Tribunal, and how we are following the guidelines, because hmm, a very current scenario near about this area, as you can say all the and natural resources has been disappeared, and the natural balance is also being disturbed by all the artificial phenomena, all the human behavior. That's why if we are just thinking about natural uh, development, I mean sustainable development, then we have to be sincere with whatever we are doing, and whatever is coming to happen in future. So the issue is eco-sensitive zone issue, and near about the Dalma Hill, Dalma eco-sensitive zone. All the villagers has been informed by the Dalma forest range office, and they are called today, 23rd of August. They are being called by Dalma range office, and they have to, all the villagers have to, I think 10 villagers, yeah, villagers of 10 villages, they have to go, and uh, they have to put their opinion uh, in front of range officer and all the divisional forest officer. uh, this is the issue right now, because the ecosystem has been already disappeared, and all the villagers are being captured in this issue right now. But our question is that in very nearly place, you can see all the companies, all the factories, and even in the very near about the station, railway station, the coal uh, coal and all coal is being unloaded by all the vehicles, and they are polluting the environment. So how could their NOC being taken, I mean being given by the department. So this is the another question in front of us, because if the forest department is for the sake of environment, and they are totally uh, being conscious about the to preserve our preserve our ecosystem, then why they are giving the NOC to those companies, those factories, those coal loading, those rakes in a railway station, who are totally being involved in unloading the coals, and they are polluting the environment of near about all the areas. All the peoples are very much facing the problem for a long time, and in a very near future, uh, all the villagers are having a number of disease because of these much factories, companies, and all the rakes and loading, unloading, and all the coal blocks, you can say. So we just have to think about these matters also. And recently, before some days, the elephant issue was also been in peculiar topic, because elephant has been crossing the national highway NH32 before some days, and elephant has been entered in people living area, I mean urban area also, and elephant was attacking all those things, all those I mean school or college building. So this was another issue because of environmental loss, you can say, because the loss of ecosystem, because the disbalance of ecosystem, because all the all the dam and all the water resources or water reservoir has been disturbed the corridor of elephant, because elephant corridor is elephant corridor is made for uh, three or four generation, you can say, because one elephant live longer for 100 years, and if three generation, it would be like 300 of years. So 300 years they are keeping their memories about their corridor, and that's why they are going they are using their path on that path only. That's why the problem is arising, because we are just thinking that elephant is crossing, elephant is coming in our area, but elephant is not coming our area. Even we are going in his area, and we are coming in his area. That is the fact. And we are losing the environment, we are disturbing the ecosystem. That's why all the problems has come. And even forest department, forest environment and climate change, the department of forest environment and climate change, even thinking about this challenging issue, and in order to solve the problem, that's why the Dalma ecosystem, Dalma range officer has called all the peoples living in this area, and I think they would go to their place right now. So right now it it would very much a challenging issue, and we just have to think about it, and we just have to solve about it by our effort only, because no one would come to solve our problem. It already created by ourselves, and so that's why we are the very much responsible person to solve this problem. That's why I am just requesting all the people living in this area basically to think about it seriously, and we just have to uh, mm, control our human behavior, because if we can't control, then the situation will be very much challenging, and it would be really tough for our coming generation. That's why we just have to think about sustainable development. Sustainable development is the development which is basically for the next generation, which is basically uh, defining our next generation. So that's why we just have to think about sustainable development, how we could make it possible, and the ecosystem, and the pollution matter, and the any NGT guidelines is there to control the human behavior. I mean all the pollutions and all the uh, related things, whatever is responsible to make the pollution, whatever is responsible to disturb the ecosystem. So that's why the National Green Tribunal has been made in 2010, I think. If NGT guidelines is there, that no any vehicles, no any sand smuggling would be there by mm, June, yeah, to 10 June, from 10 June to October, you can say. It was the guideline that no any uh, transporting of sand, and smuggling of sand would be there. But right now also it is running in frequently running in a large area, large scale, you can say. So what is the justice given by people, and justice given by all the departments, and justice given by all the administration? I mean we all have to think about it, so that we can preserve our ecosystem, so that we can solve our issues coming in front of us, and we can solve our challenge for the next generation at all we know about. So this was our topic of discussion. If you like our discussion, then please like, share, and subscribe, and give comments. If any reform should be there, then I would consider it in my next video. Thank you. Jai Jharkhand, Johar Jharkhand.